Matt Patricia comes in and wants to instill a new culture and wants to pay attention to the details, wants to bring the Patriot way to Detroit, right? And it's been about training camp. They've been conditioning and running after practice. He's been on these guys day in and day out, and it has not come to fruition here in this first game.
Pip, are you wanting loves?
Huh?
Pip?
No?
He looked over and said, I'm good. And that's Stafford, there he is. Over thank you with his helmet
What?
on. Set
What?
to return
No?
to the
What?
game.
Okay.
That's a challenge right there. That's a head coach's
Okay.
challenge in his offensive line.
And again, trying to help Stafford with the run game this year. Not so far here in the order.
And there he goes.
May not be able to establish it at this point now, but
You can't every facet of this Lions team, and Matt has not played a good game. He hasn't seen the field well. He's thrown 3 interceptions, which are all on him.
Just so you know, he's still on the ground, so before you go to bed, get double check the floor.
Okay.
By this offensive line, but it's got to break down the entire unit.
as well as 3 punt returns for 137 yards and a touchdown for New York. 7 minutes to go here in the third. Incomplete. Looking for Golden Tate, who couldn't hold it. And he's already taken some hits.
Yeah, so look at these physical hits. This first one, his left knee buckles, and Taylor Decker kicks him. He's taking some big shots consistently. This was the biggest one, the helmet right in the sternum from Leonard Williams. And that will take your breath away in more ways than one.
Second down. Stafford is picked by the Jets defense.
Here. Here. Here.
And the boos get louder here at Ford Field.
Here's Darren Lee. He's going to try to force it. You're not